Welcome to day 6. I hope you have completed all the 5 tasks before and got a nice 2 days break over the weekend. So today we are beginning the week, the day 6 or the task 6. In this task, the task is quite similar to what you have done for task 5. What I want you to do is to take the second SLR paper that you have from your selection and look at the prior literature review section of that paper and break it down sentence by sentence to see what kind of sentence structure they have used. And the reason for doing that is when you are going to write your systematic literature review paper and the prior literature review section within that, I think it is going to be helpful to you. So this activity is to kind of create a template for you to decide on what you can write when you're writing your prior literature review section. Okay, so that is a very simple task for today. Just one paper, your second paper, open it and read the prior literature review and break it down sentence by sentence. Do check out the answer number 5, which I have posted in the description of the video 5, as well as on my website vidypotdar.com. So do check that out on how I have done it, and you can follow similar steps. Thank you very much.